Hey, welcome back to the site. My name's Trent, and if you're new here, why don't you go ahead and hit that like and subscribe so you'll get future tips and techniques on fly tying as I get them put out. Thanks. So today, what we're going to discuss is how to place the hook in the vise. This is a question that I am asked every time I'm giving classes to new fly tyers, how to do it, and is this correct, is that correct? So I'm just going to make a quick little video, probably about a minute, minute and a half, on how to put the hook in the vise properly. So for you, sit back, enjoy yourself. All right, so I'm starting off with a fairly large hook. Just for demonstration, I want to use a nice silver hook with the black background so it show up really nice. So the first thing we're going to do is we just need to open up the jaws of the vise right here. So on my vise, I've got a couple handles that I need to adjust. So I'm going to open up the jaws of the vise. And what I want to do is I want to place the hook. This is, some people call this the heel, or you can call it the bottom of the bend, or whatever. But that section is all that you want in your vise. And then you just tighten it down like so. And what you want to have is you want this portion, this is the shank, and you just want that parallel to your table or your working surface. So mine's up just a touch. So right there, that is how you want your hook every time you're going to tie. Now I see people, I'm going to loosen this up a little bit. I'll see people put them in like so. And their thought is, well, I don't have to worry about catching my thread on the tip and breaking my thread, which can happen, but this is not a good way to secure your hook, because with down pressure, it'll fall right out. All right, and also you don't want to bury it way down here either, because that can cause you issues as you tie the body materials in. Okay, so just catch the heel of the hook right there, get it nice and tight, make sure your hook shank is parallel to the working surface, and that's how you do it. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you got any questions or comments, please hit me below and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Until next time, I'll see you around the vise.